Hey guys, today there is now only one day left until the New Year's Eve 2021. And if you guys know already or knew already, one day is 24 hours long. So this means that there are now 24 hours left until the New Year's Eve 2021. And if you guys see, look closer, I've updated the number 1 so it doesn't look like a stick or something. And without further ado, let me tell you what the number 1 reminds me of. Okay. The number 1 reminds me of the only planet we live in, the Earth. And it can go like something like this. I'm the only person with the only family living in the only house, in the only street, in the only city, in the only country, and in the only continent, and in the only Earth. Yeah, because there's only one Earth, and we don't have another revolving around us, and we have to take care of our Earths, So we shouldn't pollute the air, the water, the land, etc. And we should plant more trees, filter waters, and maybe even add more solar panels, for example. The number 1 also reminds me of the only universe we live in, the observable universe, as people call it. There is the only planet we live on in the only solar system that orbits on the only sun, and that is in the only galaxy, the Milky Way. That is in the only galaxy, the only supercluster, like the Laniakea supercluster. That is in the only universe as we know it, the observable universe, as you may see. And let's take care of our universe. So, for example, we don't throw in space debris. Space debris pollutes the air in the universe and causes some crashes with spacecrafts if they collide with the space debris, as you may see, and make more planetary life in other planets, like terraform them and make them Earth-like, and expand to more universes in the future, in the far future or the distant future, anyway, as you may call it. And yeah, these are examples. And the number 1 also reminds me of the only everything we have. Yeah, as you may see, we have everything ranging from land to water, cities to countries, or from continents to planets, from stars, from galaxies to galaxies, from galaxy, from superclusters to universes, from universes to megaverses, from omniverses to something else, infinity, to the only everything as we know of. Yeah, that's how I may say it, as I know. And I hope you guys like this video. And these are all of those things that remind me of the number 1. I hope you guys like this video. Click subscribe and stay tuned for Lazar's New Year's 2021 Rockin' Eve, which is coming out tomorrow. And stay tuned for more awesome videos to come. See you.